clothes meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Tricho Care Gel. Tricho Care Scalp Stimulant Hydrating Gel provides micronourishment to the hair roots. Complete nourishment needed by hair is provided through the concentrated extracts of fenugreek and boosted with micronourishing amino acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and soothing factors. Trichocare gel contains arginine. This amino acid relaxes the blood vessels and also improves the flow of blood to the scalp and hair follicles. Arginine reduces the factor which causes poor development of hair follicles or weakens hair shafts and thereby promotes hair growth. Aloe juice is known nourishment to the hair roots. Lemongrass oil benefits for hair include strengthening the hair follicles, adding shine, reviving scalp itching and irritation, and reduces dandruff. It is a good scalp tonic. Trichocare gel is further enriched with niacinamide, a water-soluble form of vitamin B3 that has many benefits for skin and hair. It also helps to transport blood and oxygen to the scalp and hair follicles. Trichocare gel also contains vitamin A and E, which supports the hair follicles for further healthy hair growth. It is very beneficial and also can be used for head massages instead of oil. Order now from the link below in the description. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.